Our checkout service got slow. As soon as the alert fired, Honeycomb's Canvas agent started investigating. Canvas assembled the context. It looked at error patterns around the alert window, noticed recent deploys, and identified the dimensions driving the degradation, in this case, the cache size in the checkout service. Canvas surfaced its conclusions and suggested a remediation path, but it stopped there. It does not act. Currently, Canvas does not call external MCPs or communicate with other agents. Humans mediate all action. You could call it a safety guardrail. The agent investigates autonomously, but a human engineer takes action. Here, the on-call SRE reviews the evidence, marks their approval directly in Canvas, and authorizes the restart. Later, an engineer asks Canvas directly, "Has the fix worked?" Canvas runs queries and adds the result right here in the investigation. Oh no! Looks like we're not done here. The incident continues, along with the full evidence trail in this Canvas available for the incident review later.